Very good morning.
Do you like to play watch the games?
I like to play sports. I watch, but more I like to play.
Which games do you like to play?
My favorite sports is cricket. I like to play cricket, and I play chess also.
What are some of our local Indian games?
I didn't got question. One more time.
What are some of our local Indian games?
Local Indian games are there. Today we have played that Avan. That is the local Indian games are there. Then Kabaddi is there, Kho is there. So many are there that Agabond we are playing. Local games so many are there. Baratappu is there. That so many, and I have enjoyed every sports. Then that Kanda Pudi is there. So many I have played local games. Marbles I have played. Then that seeds, that Koya. So many local games.
Who is your favorite sports person?
I like Sachin Tendulkar.
What games are played in Olympics?
Olympics, running is there. In running, many are there. Just like 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter. Cross country is there. Walking is there. Long jump is there. High jump is there. Swimming is there. Again, shooting is there. Many more games are there in Olympics.
Thank you so much.